Hi, my name is Matt Sorensen, and in this video I'm going to be showcasing the Week 7 coding assignment for MySQL. The project first wants us to create a schema named projects. So to do that, make sure I'm in my schemas tab, come over here, right click, call it projects, hit apply, apply, and finish. And the next part of the assignment wants us to create a user. So we go to the administration tab, click users and privileges, and we go add account. We name the user projects, and as per the video, we make the password the same as the username. And then we hit apply. And now that our user's created, we need to give the user some privileges. So to do that, we go to that tab, and then we hit add entry. We make sure that we select our schema here called projects, hit OK. And then we want to give them all of the privileges except for the grant option privileges, and hit apply. The next part the assignment wants me to showcase is that I've successfully added MySQL connector J as a dependency and put in the Java compiler version. Here's the version of Java I am using in the properties section. Here is the MySQL connector J added in the dependency section, and here is the code that tells the M2E connector to sync our Java build version in the build section. The next part of the assignment asks me to create the project structure by adding some packages. So to do this, we go to src main Java, right click, create new package, and the first one's called projects. And then we do this again for DAO, and we do this again for entity, and we do this again for exception, and we do this one last time for the service package. For the next part of the assignment, I'm supposed to create the class dbException in the project's exception package. As you can see, I've created that, and it was supposed to extend the runtime exception, and I was supposed to override the following constructors from the superclass, and called each of the matching constructors and delete the two unnecessary constructors that were generated when I created this. The next part of the assignment wanted me to create a class that obtained a JDBC connection object from the driver manager. It began by asking that I create a class in the projects.dao package named dbConnection. In this class, I had to create the following constraints. As you can see here, I did that, and then I was supposed to create a method named getConnection and return a java.sql connection object. It asked me to create a string variable that contains the MySQL connection URI. Then it asked me to call the driver manager to obtain a connection. I was supposed to surround it with a try catch block and print out if I was able to get a connection, and if not, print an error message and throw the DB exception. The final part of the assignment wanted me to create the main class and call the DB getConnection method. And when we run it, you can see that it connected successfully.